My name is Jeff Balzer. I work for LAUSD. I've been working there 25 years.
My name is Jesus Herrera. I work for LAUSD. Gardena Garage. I've been here 3 years, going on 4.
I just had electrical training 1 and summer number 2 done with Dean, and it was a very good course. It was 2 days. I learned about electrical circuits, relays, how they work, how they don't work, a lot of electrical ins and outs, from just short to grounds to not having 12 volts at the battery source to testing circuits. It was very informative, but it would have been nice to maybe be here another day. More training is always good. You can never have enough training, and you learn something new every day. And we learned a lot, and we're going to take that with our job for, the future.
He pretty much took the words out of my mouth. I learned a lot, so I'm happy with the class. I'm always open to learning more and advancing my knowledge. I'm here for the long haul, so by the time I get to a certain age, I'm still going to be working on these things. It's a different ballgame now.
And speaking about motivation, we're always motivated to learn, because the more you learn, the easier your job gets. So having that in the back of our mind, and this class went by really fast. So he was a great speaker. He was very knowledgeable, and that helped out a lot. So you weren't ever bored, and it was hands-on, which is very key. So that helped out a lot with this class too. Being hands-on instead of just book work and this and that, and looking at pages. You're actually looking at stuff and make stuff and work in front of you. You can get it in your head a little bit easier that way.